Dana, everybody come out. You should be proud of yourself. You should be proud of yourself. This event, an event like this, anybody who know about event, it takes months to organize. Take 2 months, 3 weeks, or whatever to organize. Event like this takes, anybody in a promotion can attest to this. Say, event like this takes months to organize. And then you pat yourself on the shoulder. And the only thing I never really liked last night, to be honest, with some of you all plankers, sometimes we have to make you breathe a little bit. You understand? On the love her, we understand, so on the love her and all want up on her, but even if you don't love her that much and you don't get no food, me no pay well for money for a ticket, or you never get in the right seat. You could even wait until today on a call her and say, yo, buy me ticket, I'm gonna get no food, me never feel like on the angle last night was the right way there. There are a table and a cuss and a be aggressive. All our wig pop in a 2 last night. 2 wig pop off our head. Sometimes we just have to chill a little bit. You know what I mean? We have to chill a little bit. I feel like sometimes she allow herself to be too accessible to you guys. You know what I mean? And then we don't really know the boundaries when to say, alright, maybe just chill a little bit. You know what I mean? Or maybe you guys took it as an opportunity to speak to her or to engage with her, in a situation. So that was a perfect opportunity for you guys to but I think sometimes she allow herself to be too accessible to you guys, and then kind of take a little bit too much advantage. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong, but that's what I see. But enough food was there. If anything you can know about me, I'm supposed to know, say I wasn't responsible for serving the food. I was responsible for providing the food. They have a serving company, as you guys could see, with 50 servers was there. But because people were so disorganized, getting up on them seat, moving from seat, they place an order, people was going around to the kitchen also. People was there, can attest to this. They was going around to the kitchen, which that shouldn't have happened. I don't know why security allowed that either. When you go around the kitchen and collect food, and it caused a confusion, a chaos, and some people. There were food that left back last night. There were more than enough food for everybody to eat. There were like 7 to 8 pounds of salmon. Most people want salmon. You understand? Most people want salmon. That's the thing. Maybe we should have just keep it to salmon alone, because the salmon, everybody come, oh, the salmon so nice. We want the salmon and the lamb. The lamb nice. So everybody, and when they hear of chicken, they just feel like it was a regular chicken nowadays. So most people are going for the salmon. Everybody wants salmon, and the salmon was meant for people who don't eat meat. You understand? We gave variety, and I think there were too much variety, so we should probably just keep the menu a little bit more smaller and more intimate, so people never have too much. You understand? Maybe that was one of the issue also. I don't know, but yeah, I wasn't responsible for the serving of the food. I was only responsible to cater the food. You understand? Yet maybe there was too many options. We were probably not go too hard to make sure people have choices, because we have roasted potatoes, mashed potato, white rice, Spanish rice and peas. You know what I mean? Yeah, some people that take out 2 plates, and that's normal too. That's normal, because that's why we did so many different food, because we know people are gonna want to taste this, and they might want to taste that, and they might want to taste this, whatever the case may be. But it already passed, and it's the first, and it's not gonna be the last. We can only learn from this, right? Learn, and apologize, because it's not really nice if people come and they never get no food. And people who paid for their VIP ticket didn't, get their seat. I think that was really nice. And yeah, if you never pay for your VIP, shouldn't do. But that's that. But other than that, we're not gonna make them look a small issue that take away from what happened last night. Last night was Epic. Epic. Well, let's see what happened to me. Me said, I never reached till after 9. Me reached there. But honestly to God, I couldn't do no better because I have to cook for the restaurant. Not me alone, because you know me have like 3-4 chefs. I had to cook for the restaurant. Then, one of my staff got to take one next big catering. And we had to do that and plus cook the food there. And we want everything, you know, to be on point. And me, oh God. Me, I was at the restaurant longer than I expected. I took me to left the restaurant like 2 o'clock to get me do my hair and my makeup. So what happened with me and my dress now, right? Somebody make a dress for me and Carol. And the person introduced it to the, don't feel bad. We just like, well, Lady V, you remember me about Lady V? Me say something about Lady V. More good than a little joke here. Somebody introduced us to a designer, Jamaica, right? To make a dress. And the person called me. I would do an online measurement and everything. When I call the person name either, because we're not here to tear down nobody's business or anything. But me I give you a joke. I say, Curve by Tina and Beautiful Lash spend whole night at the place, you know, to wait for me and Carl dresses. When the dress come, I go one of my titty with a whole night dress. Can't fit. Cannot fit and them come up Thursday. So at last minute, you know me, I'm look at designer who always make me look at dresser or something. Last minute now Thursday me go around and do my designer now I'm gonna say. They have to do something. And the accent will take advantage of me because at last minute because want the dress, whatever. Me supposed to yesterday them say for come 12 o'clock. I say, alright, I come 12 o'clock. I couldn't left the restaurant to Rastaja. For come 12 o'clock. For go fit the dress. When I come back down now, I'm going to do my ear. I come back down and I'm going to do my ear. I'm going to fit the dress. And they never done properly. So then they adjust it. I'm going to do my ear and go back. He said, I go back. The shop lock. But said the shop lock for me with the dress. Yesterday, I said, Jesus, save I take the wheel. I did I call, whatever. But did I say, what me I gonna do? Then I say, remember I said, Dana, me you know did have Dana dress them. And Dana said, she not gonna wear one next dress. She have 3 dresses and she give me about one for keep and say she not bother wear that one, yeah. The black dress that we wear last night, a Dana dress. She said, me not bother wear that one. So I said, no, what? I want them, me can't go around and fit in the front there. So me now, come back round, the guy called me and said, me can't make it back, she might come back. I'm go back round, go back round there. The guy give me the dress. I'm come back round. He said, when I come back round, see that I'm not telling no lie, let me show them. I'm going to turn on the camera and show them. I don't feel like I'm telling a lie. Okay, let me show them. See that? I don't know, but I said, oh, half I dressed them, something I dropped last night. See that? It's the palm table same way. See that? From I come last night with the dress. See that? So, the dress, I couldn't go in at it. So my dress there, before we last night. See there? I come. I have to do a command. When I take the dress from the guy, guys. Hold on, let me turn on the camera. Hold on, let me do. Jesus save her. How me do this? Okay. Yeah. When me come in at the dress, we put out the dress, and Larry called me and Larry said, may I come get you? I said, Larry, I have to come and put on a dress like I dress can't go on. I said, when I go in and something, I take out a lucky thing down and they give me that frat there. I hit me off the wall because I said, would I never, and that's, but I tell me, I just put on my chef jacket and just come around the sea and I say, I can't come. Why go on my nice clean cause upset to share, big up yourself, my sister cousin. I said, I can't go come because everybody I call it, where you there, where you there, where you there, where you there, where you there. I said, no, I can't do this. I just go on, I put on, and then I said, no, I'm going to wear that. I'm going and put it on. I said, we're going and put on the dress. The dress just sit up for me. I said, look at, hold on, look at that one I didn't make fit me. After I'm going to pay, I would like telling you how much I end up paying for that dress there. Who would like me telling you how much me end up paying for that dress there? I don't get to wear it. So, until we have our next event, other one they go wear. Trust me. So, yeah, that was that, man. Like, everything was like, kind of all over the place yesterday, all over the place. But thank God we got through the night. It was beautiful, 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 beautiful. And you guys came out. 99% of you came to support. That was so most important. 99% of you guys came to support. And I want to say a big thank you. Oh God, how could I forget this? I don't remember everything for to say thank you, but big thank you to the NYPD officers. Oh my God, you guys came out and you guys support. Thank you so much. You know, block off the road. Whenever we announce it, you know that amount bigger. I don't know the haters them see fire. So whenever announce that, yeah, we got the road block off, top and bottom. Whole stretch of road. Everybody was there. You can't see any lie me I tell. NYPD block the road them. Block it off. Block off the road them for the whole event. Thank you guys so much. The event planner, girl, I don't want to post a video. Because we have they had official video camera there to video the thing or whatever. So I wait till them get the official video there, you know, to show you all the place. Like, and from we tell you only the day and see it. Like the red carpet was so beautiful, inside, outside red carpet. I'm not tell you like all I own even like. Dana can attest that it was very beautiful. You can't take that from me. Say it was a beautiful event. Beautiful event. Our next issue, Dana Rose Rise, it we go pick her up. I don't know she talk about it on her life, but what happened with her Rose Rise. Yeah. And that never happened either. I don't know if she talk about that on her life, but I not tell her lie. It was a beautiful. You can't take that from her. You can't take it, say it wasn't a beautiful event. It wasn't 100% executed right, but it was beautiful. The vibe, I see some Plankatia put on some dancing and some cocking up. DJ Rai, Raga Shanti, Chris Eel, everybody who performed last night did a wonderful job. I said the vibe was so nice. I don't know. Your vibe was so nice. You know, Chris get pissed off because of the comments or someone that make. Everybody is different. For me, I don't really take certain things personal on social media because I know people are got shot. But you have to realize that Chris and Dana have a beautiful relationship. No matter what you want to say, what you going to do, them are brother and sister. And them love each other, them support each other. You can't take that from them. Not even me too. Sometimes some so-called Plankatians come at me. But me, me kind of tough when it comes to certain things. I mean, I really make people say bother me so much. You know what I mean? But you have to stop it. You have to stop drive wedge or say things to trigger. You know, because them not go nowhere. Them have them relationship. We have to learn to respect her and respect the people that is around her. And sometimes I'm not too opinionated. How Chris there putting on him live and taking pictures and whatever. How is that him taking away from Dana shine? Everybody, it was for everybody to get a shine. It wasn't, you know. Oh, it take away Dana shine if him take picture. Him have Royal was there too. People who love and support him was there too. So what's the issue if him last night I never take pictures in all my life. So if somebody come up and say, Miss Lota, I want to take a picture, well, I say, no, I done an event, I don't want to take away our shine, I don't want to take no picture. You understand? Make it make sense. How is it taking a picture of him and him life is taken away from Dana? Even the other day, I see one blogger come run her mouth to talk. Sometimes when you talk so much shit, sometimes I just don't understand, like, the things y'all do for views. The other day, Dana come And Dana missed her flight, first of all, Thursday, when she came. And she missed her flight. Dana was supposed to land earlier. When Dana land, the organizers was supposed to go and check her in at the hotel. The lady had do all kind of things, whatever. She couldn't go. Me left my work, jump in a Uber, or go down to Manhattan, so me can go down there with her, because I know she's not used to the place, and you know, me never want her alone down there. I want welcome her in New York, you understand? Because that's something she would have done for me also. Me left out of my restaurant, run go to New York, go down to Manhattan, go meet her, and me and her did a chat and whatever. This blogger go say, oh, me I try to take Dana shine, and it was about me. Oh! How am I taking her shine? We all there in the hotel and laugh and talk or whatever. Dana is the one who gave me her YouTube, her phone with her, and said, go and go talk to the plank of them. She tired or whatever the case. And I took the phone and was there trying to entertain her, because everybody know I'm not a woman of so many words. I don't really like talk too much, and I don't know what to say sometimes. You understand? So, I did the way I have fun or whatever the case may be. I'm being dismissive of Dana's feelings or whatever. I'm Dana's friend. I'm not Dana's assistant. I'm Dana's friend. When me should do, take out my titty and put in Dana's mouth and say, come baby, come suck some breast and comfort yourself. Like, come on guys, do better. On love, try to find too much negative. Not care how the situation is, and try to find the negative in it. Why you never say, oh, it was nice of you, Miss Lothian, to left your business and to go down to Manhattan and greet her and, you know, sit with her and chat with her. That's what you should have said. That was very nice of you to go and meet your friend. You know what I mean? That's all. All you could have said, you know? And you guys, we went to the bar. We didn't know that we're not allowed. Remember, we're not used to nothing already. Me especially not used to nothing. You understand? Yeah, okay, I should have put my titty in your mouth and say, come, baby, hush. Yeah. We go in that bank, we don't know, say, camera is not allowed, and the man even want to kick you out, and me did there, go out with my full self, and dance, and whatever. That was an issue. Like, come on, guys. Some things is very unnecessary. Uno work up on yourself over too much. You know, uno not have blood pressure or whatever. Uno work up on yourself over foolishness too much. And try to create drama in every situation. I don't care what the situation is, and try to create drama. I mean, I guess that's a new way of blogging, of creating drama and making mischief for no reason. You understand? Nobody can make me and Dana war. If me not say Dana something me and her for work, I will not even like no me and Dana war sometime. You understand? Whole part time. Last night me and her work and she take herself but she gone in the kitchen and make people push her in the kitchen. You come must me drag her by her wheel and wheel her out. You understand? Because a year event or you end up in the kitchen. So me and Dana war, but uno not gonna make me and her have nothing. Uno not make she and Chris have nothing or nobody. Uno not have the power there for do it. Uno for stop trying to drive wedge between her and the people who are around her. Stop doing it. Me can't say me come up on social media and come build myself off of Dana or whatever the case may be. For the years of me know her, I don't come on social media and ride on her back and get up on everything me I do. Me drag her in it to get views and attention. How often do I come on here? So how am I trying to take her shine or try to, you understand? Stop it. How often me come on here so come sit on the live? Or come. God bless sometimes I not even, how much time I go places and I don't even post it. Because I'm not an attention-seeking person. That's not who I am. There must so many things that I do on a daily basis. When I could get up and post. I now look attention. I love and appreciate all the people who love me. I do love and appreciate you guys. And it's the reason why I'm chipping now and then. But I'm not craving for attention. I'm not craving for... I love myself. So any love that people give me is just extra. Any love that people give me is just extra. And I like, you know, my lack of love. My kids them love me, my parents love me, my family love me. Whosoever around me love me. So I'm not crave for attention and crave for love. I love myself. You understand? I'm gonna stop. I said last night, guys, I said I feel so bad. I attack everything in one. I said, oh, I'm not a lady V or whatever. But this morning, I wake up, I say Chris post one picture with him on him phone with Lady V. So I say, Lady V, you there? So same time I get up my phone and call Lady V to Rasta Josh, never answer. I guess when she wake up, she answer me. Lady V said she called to me about 2 or 3 times and I blow her off and say, me just say hi or whatever and gone. See, days of God believe my hand, me say, me just say, Lady V, none at all last night. I feel so freaking bad. Because I meet everybody, I meet all Flawless Rain. Flawless Rain, never want nobody see her, she had done me now. Because something burn her on her lip right here, so she said, you know what, let's see me, I take a picture. Flawless Rain, nobody done me. Chocolate and vanilla, oh my God, they come out look beautiful. I don't want Ashanti him. Oh, Ashanti never come. No, sir, Ashanti, me disappointed bad, me not lie. I swear, so you did it on your P's and Q's. Ashanti, where you there? I mean, no, Ashanti get tickets, so I don't know. Oh, Ashanti never reach. Yeah, man. Everybody come. Me not know. Like last night was a movie. What kind of? It was beautiful. Last night was so nice. It was really, really, really nice. But me never see Lady V one bit. Me don't know what did happen to me. Me don't get over where. Me don't know how me overlook Lady V. One time I see Dimes and Lady V say she and Dimes was sitting at the same table, and I was walking away and I said, "Mr. Well, I know Dimes that you know how me know Dimes husband. Me never did know Dimes to be honest. I saw Dimes husband and I said, "Where me know that man you from?" How me look, me see a Dimes husband and I went over me ear up Dimes and everybody. I never see Lady V a Rasta Jam. Yeah, she look good, man. But tell everybody come out. Everybody come out last night. We have to do it again. We have to do it again. We have to do it again. It is a must. It have to done again. It was beautiful. It was well overdue to. Planka shop been going on for how many years now? This was well overdue for a little get together, and it was overdue. I feel like it's supposed to be like a year event. I don't know if that's what Dana want to do or whatever. I'm just suggesting that this little thing we go on last night was, yeah man, it's supposed to be a yearly event, but I feel like as Chris that suggests we should have do buffet style. It's a learned. We learned so much from last night too. We learned so much from last night too. So maybe we can try buffet style next time or whatever the case may be. You know what I mean? But this is not something this is not supposed to be a wanted. This is supposed to be a branded event where she keep it yearly. Maybe she can go state to state and do something like this. Because people flying, not even that. Let me tell you, how much people will come on my shop. Oh, Miss Lota, I come from Connecticut, I come from Yeso, I come from California, I come from Florida, I come from Canada, I come from Greece, I'm flying from England, I'm flying from Yeso, I'm flying from Deso. The amount of people come from all over. The amount of people flying from all over for come at this event. I tell them, me not tell them lie. Guys, thank you so much for appreciating her and showing her love, and hope she can learn from this and say, listen, there are more people for you than those who are against you. And I always tell you this, there are more people for you than those who are against you. Last night you guys came out and show her how much you love and appreciate her for all that she have done. And I pray that she find the strength to focus on you people who always standing behind her, holding her up and push her up and, helping her to reach to where she is today. You understand? Being a fence around her. I pray, I know it's not easy to ignore the negativity because the negativity can be so nasty. It can be so degrading and it's a lot to deal with. I always said it maybe if it was me because me might tell her, say, no answer, no do this, no do that, whatever. But me know myself, say, maybe me couldn't angle it because say, me know my temper is very nasty. Hence the reason why I stay away from certain things. You understand? But it's only right for me as a friend to encourage her to ignore it. So sometimes when you hear me, I say, ignore it or whatever because me know when most of them intention hard. More of them intention is to bother her and to nitpick at her for her to come out and react. So they can say, oh, look on her how she behave and she a humanitarian. Look on her how she behave and she say she this, and look on her. Yes, they try to get a reaction. So when she fall for it, she make them win, if you ask me. You understand? So that's why I always tell her, I said, don't react to it. It's a game. It's all a game for most of them. Most of them, it's a game. Some of them don't, 90% of the things what them say about her, them don't even mean it. Them just say what come at them mouth. Some people just, anything come at them mind, them just say it. You understand? Sometimes they don't even remember the things what them say. You understand? So don't give them a reaction. Focus on the people who is there for you. The people who love and support you for over the years. Most people come in on social media, after a while them vanish out. Most people come in on social media over the years and then come and then vanish out. 5 years now, right? And you're still standing strong. You're still standing strong. You're coming to America and look how many doors open. I don't know if you talk about your business. I don't want to talk about your business without you talk. Doors are open for you as you come in America. Focus on that, my dear. Focus on that. You know what I mean? Stop. Don't make them plant those bad seed. You know? Black it out. Continue to black it out. You did so for a long period of time where you black out certain things. Too much people love you. Too much people want to support you. Too much people appreciate you. Focus on that. Focus on the love. So focus on the positive. Water the positive in your life. When we see how people them come out last night, people don't do anything at all. Anything at all. Anything at all, just say hi to you. These people are begging me so to do. That Auntie Dana take a picture with me. I say yes, so much people I promise. And then when your week pop off, we end up going back to spend a whole half an hour where you didn't get to meet, you know, some people who was asking. And I did promise some of them I go bring, you know, officer from Brooklyn, a 3 detective, and I tell her her job. She came with 3 detectives and oh God, what's the job? Oh God. When they sent me the post her one time on my page, she came with her police officer friend them and you know them did one. Me did promise them also for them to meet her. It just never happened. But there's gonna be other opportunity. There's gonna be way more opportunity for you guys to meet her, and you know what I mean. And thank you guys so much. You know, go on so crazy. For the one them who get the food, who not top compliment you on the food, nice and this and that or whatever. And all of the catering there, for that event, I did it by myself. The food, 99% of it, I did it. Me sit down, me make the chef them cook the other food them, and I me sit down on the food there and cook it. So we can actually take credit for the food. Thank you guys so much. The lamb. Whether I believe it or not, a second time in my life I cook lamb. I would say everybody go crazy over the lamb chops and the salmon. Everybody go crazy over the lamb chops and the salmon. Thank you guys so much. And again, I apologize to those who was uncomfortable. The event planner, they did a superb job. They did a, I want to tell you, while they were there doing that job, they have like 3 other events going on at the same time, and them a monitor it, and them a monitor everything. Yo, them do a wonderful job. Even the people, the owners, them Amazura, them say them never know say that place they could have transformed that. Oh my God. Them say them never know that place they could have transformed in another way there. Or transform, yes. Or them see, when them see them was like, and them want to work with her and whatever. But and she don't even do them kind of events here, to be honest. You understand? We don't want to talk about her business or whatever the case may be, because she don't really want her business on social media like that either. But even the people them from Amazura, they must shock. Anybody who know Amazura and know what when you go there today, go look. Because even Buju Banton people, because Buju Banton, if I have a strength, I go around there today. Even the people them were organized Buju Banton, because Buju Banton gotta be in Amazura tonight. Even them I ask if we can leave up the some of the deck draping or something for the Buju Banton thing. I said no, people them forget about them things. Yeah, I tell them, man. It was amazing. It was amazing. Amazing. The red carpet outside, and I get with a video camera and everything. It was really beautiful. It was really beautiful, and that's why they said, together we stand, divided we fall. And trust me, we all stand together and make this possible. It wasn't Dana alone, it wasn't me alone, it wasn't Chris alone, it wasn't the bloggers alone, it wasn't the organizers alone. All our way stand together and make this possible. All our way, and together we stand, divided we fall. And guess what? We all stand together for this. And look at it. It was beautiful. It was beautiful. And that's how it goes when you support. It's very important to support. And you guys support, come out and support. Come out and support. And we appreciate you guys' support over the year. I personally appreciate you guys' support. You've been supporting me for years. I will be nothing without you guys' support. I don't know, sometimes I pinch myself and I say, really, I made this? 3 years ago, I was just a cashier in an Expresso restaurant, you know what I mean? 3 years ago, I was just nothing but a cashier, collecting tips, collecting my little minimum wage salary and whatever. And you guys come out in the pandemic and buy me food, support me, buy me fish. That's why I know some kind of ease off I shipping now. Make it really, why am I not ship food in the time really too hot? It really too hot. I know make sense. Me I ship food in at the hot time and get it and it spoil or, you know what I mean? So me just kind of ease off, but I will never ever stop my shipping. Never ever stop it. No care as long as me have health and strength, me will always ship out my product them. Always ship out my product them because that's where I started from. Guys support me from all over. You know what I mean? And if I one order me get a week, me I ship it, and if a 10 or a 20 or a 100 that me I go always do that. Always do that and big up my staff them. Overwork over a weekend, and you don't know some love and appreciate each and everyone and big up on yourself. Like last time I said Shelly, what I said Shelly, nobody got work till 7:30 this morning. Shelly said, nah man. At 7 o'clock this morning I call the restaurant Shelly that work. I said, Shelly, nobody going so early. I know that Sunday morning breakfast might not people might not come out for breakfast. It was 7 o'clock this morning, Shelly that work. God have blessed me with some wonderful people, and I know sometimes I go off pound or roughing up sometimes when things are right, but from the bottom of my heart, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much for being a part of the Chef Lotian's team. Thank you so much for putting out so much effort on the customer service is on point. Customer every day, people tell me, oh, the customer service at my stores are always on point, and I appreciate you guys so much. Yeah, man, all of them, Shelly, Tashied, Tracy, I call their name. Well, I don't remember. I'm not call, because I know I'm going to figure out nobody's name, and I say I never call their name. But big up all of past staff, Chef Andrew, big up yourself, Andrew. I know you're the big up yourself, Chef Kino, all of them big up on yourself. Love and appreciate you guys. Love and appreciate everyone. So let me see some who come on. Let me see some what was the highlight for some let me see in the comments of last night. Let me see some of the highlights. The music when I time say I want broke out for the dance floor. The music bad last night, I said DJ Rai, big up yourself. Raga Shanti, big up yourself. Chris E.L. Lataya, Lataya is supposed to be a recording art. The woman have a voice, say man, Jesus Savior. Lataya Mullins have a piece of voice there. I don't know where she get it from. And yes, somebody said something about Opal in the comments. Yeah, Opal, nice clean sister for life. R.I.P. to you. I heard that her funeral is on the 3rd of August. In fact, I think I have something in my phone that I just didn't get a chance to post it or address it yet. I don't think I want to do it in another live yet either. I don't want to put her in because our family really don't do the social media thing, and the ones that I speak to, I'm not talk to other because she have two sides of family. them not really appreciate some things that went down in the social media, and people that take our death for clickbait. They didn't appreciate it, and it's the reason why, you know, we kind of ease back from mentoring. But hope I know she have a place now where all our love her, all our customer them all over the hope I'll die working. Let me leave that. Woman, she love her customer them. She'll do anything for her customer, yeah. As I say, I don't want respect our family wishes and don't go too much into, yeah. But we're all supposed to go out, and so I think we're supposed to go out and make our funeral epic like last night. With all of us supposed to go out and go support our funeral. It's gonna be in the Bronx too. So if you guys are out of state and wanna come in, our funeral is gonna be in the Bronx. So you can make preparation, and it's the 3rd of August, alright? I'm gonna call her sister as soon as we've done the live too, because I haven't spoken to her in a couple of days and see, you know. But if we come out and support her, her service was of a convenience to a lot, you know what I mean? People could have stayed in the house, and it's all like pandemic when the travel nurse them, they could have called and said, send me a pan of fish, and them couldn't get food. You understand? She has ship fish, she has ship this, she has ship that. You know what I mean? So yeah. She served love. What she did was, and she loved what she did also. She loved what she did. And I always come on here, I'm telling you, this social media drama, it not worth it. We all should take a lesson from our death. Our death should be a lesson to all of us. Man of dust. We are not nothing. We are not nothing. Every time I come over here, I try to say, you know, I could Lego certain things, people take it and spin it. So I always tell myself, say, I'm going to allow it alone, but I can't help myself, because that's what I would love to see. We let go for the foolishness. Stop it up every day and I try to highlight, to show people, say, oh, that one here is a bad person, and that one here not this, and that one here. It's only in our community we do those kind of something there. This bag of tear down, ina do nothing for we, ina help you to grow as a person, ina help you to be a better. It's unnecessary, guys. God over my head, no, it's unnecessary. It's draining, it's tiring. It's draining, it's tiring. A full time of stop it now, man. Make a 360 turn. Love, if people do something, make them karma be them demise. If somebody do you wrong, karma never miss an address. So if you feel like yourself that somebody do you something wrong, getting up every day and I run up on the mouth and I say all kind of bullcrap, it's still not gonna change the fact. It's not gonna change nothing at all. It not change. So yeah, sometimes we have to just love people to them karma. So if you don't feel like we not do it because say people doing something or whatever, how about let go and let God? How about that? We all should have, if nothing should have give we a wake up call, the death of our sister should have. That should have give all of we a wake up call. We could look into ourselves and we know say we are not nothing, and we can go our bed and wake up. Thank God she go peacefully. How much are we gonna go peacefully? Some of we are drunk and aunts are going. Some of we family not ever go find no body for bury. Aunts and drunk are going some of we. We are nothing. Leg off our foolishness. Life now get no easier. You understand? Some tough days are ahead of us. When things tight rough you now, you wait and see and mark my words and remember Mr. Company, yes and come. You see how business are locked down left, right and center in the world all over. People that have jobs. It break my heart every day. When me I go to work, you will see 200-300 people stand up at the two Home Depot and look work. You know people who are citizens in this country can't find a job. Finding it hard to sustain themselves, but yet we get up as a people and we are tear down on one another. Look at even done an event. I see people do a campaign for people to support it. Get up on a campaign for people not support it, not go, not this, not that, whatever. How does it benefit you? You know how much people get fed from that event? How many different people come and work and make a little extra money from that event? So when you not try to fight against Dana or anybody else, all you not do is try to box food out of other people's mouth. You not try to box food out of other try now, because guess what? As you can see, you not do nothing. Because 99% of people with sense not listen to foolishness. But we should do better as a people. Me not see nobody because hurricane mash up Jamaica. I see somebody put up the hurricane. All my mother house start blow off. Gone. All of my mother house start blow off. I don't even know when that I go fix. I don't even know when my mother rooftop I go off. All our house stop gone. And I know when that I go on back. I know me I forgot to do it. You understand? Me not see no get up and use no page and collect any little thing. Me not see nobody depend it that say, no come drop off. Look how something me have a little drop off, but me want full up some box of food and something to send back to Jamaica and give with people them. But if Dana come on her page and do it now, she a scam and she a do this. If me should take up my page and say, me I come say, no come drop off something, you go pack off or do look a donation, make we help back some people. The whole Caribbean mash up right now, you know. The whole Caribbean Grenada mash up. Whole other Caribbean mash up in the hurricane. We supposed to take a platform and come together and try get some things to send back to Jamaica for help out and the other Caribbean, because it's not just Jamaicans watch us. People from all over the Caribbean who is affected by it, other, you know, by the hurricane. On our page. Me not see none of you take on a friggin' page and I tell people say, you come run a donation and run a maritime, make we help back some people. Not take on a friggin' page every day and talk be a fuckery. Me tired of some of you sometimes. Every day is the same shit. Every day is the same shit. I mean, if you're not tired of hearing yourself repeating the same shit every goddamn day, it no benefit to no way from. It no benefit to no. Because if you not do nothing, people not support to no. All them do are using the page to help spin out them hate and anger out of them. That's all them do. And when you not do nothing, them nah, me don't know how much you could do an event like that and the followers come support you like that. Talk truth. You don't have big plan, never not the smallest page by yourself. But all of you with no big page and how much this and whatever, and you get up every day on social media, create a havoc. How many of you guys could have come on the page and say, "No, do something," and the people then were there on the page and help you push out this bag of hate and anger and negativity and critiquing and finding fault? How much of you guys just looking on yourself? Looking on yourself and listen to what me I say. How many of you guys could have come and say, "No, me I keep a local event and me I look for no support," and a quarter of the people who came out and support Dana last night come and support you know?